you've never made cream cheese wontons before, then this is your sign. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 block of cream cheese, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 spring onion. Mix it all up together using an electric mixer till it is well combined. If you think you need to add salt, start with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once it's all combined and super smooth, set that aside. We're going to use this as a filling for our wonton wrappers. You will need about 25 wonton wrappers for this recipe. Place about a teaspoon worth of filling into the center of each wrapper and seal the edges using water. You could also use an egg instead, but water works just as fine. So when you're sealing it, make sure you're pressing the sides really firmly so that the cream cheese doesn't ooze out when it is fried. This is the most simplest way of making the wontons. Now let's fry them in hot oil till it is nice and golden. It doesn't take that long, about 30 seconds. Once fried, drain them on paper towels and serve it with sweet Thai chili sauce. These crispy wontons are delicious. Serve it at your next party. Enjoy!